Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, you see the shirt, you see the name of the channel. We getting back to the basics with them wings. I'm gonna show you guys how to make mango habanero wings. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken wings, of course, and right here we have some chopped mangoes right here, onions, some fresh garlic, honey, baking powder, some lime juice. These two dishes we have olive oil, apple cider vinegar. Right here, we're gonna season our chicken wings with garlic powder, salt, onion powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, red chili flakes here, butter, some freshly chopped habanero peppers here. We have some mango juice here, salt, and smoked paprika. So, I know it seems like a lot, guys, but you gotta make it right if you're gonna make it. So if you're ready, let's get to it. All right, guys, to get started, we're gonna season our chicken. We're gonna start by adding our olive oil, our baking powder, and our dry seasoning, our salt, pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And we're just gonna go in with our hands and get that mixed up. And honestly, guys, you can season this the way you want. It's totally up to you. But I like this spice combination right here, and I like the baking powder because it helps get those wings crispy. And who doesn't like crispy wings? All right, so let's head over to our air fryer. So before we head over to our air fryer, I wanna start preparing our mango sauce first. That way when those wings are ready, it's only gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes to get those done. We can have that sauce ready so we can pour it on there when those wings are done. So we're gonna take all our ingredients for our sauce, start adding it to our blender or food processor. So we're gonna add our mangoes, our onions, our habaneros, garlic, red chili flakes, apple cider vinegar, our honey, vegetable oil, lime juice, mango juice, and our salt and smoked paprika. Gonna put the lid on it, and we're gonna get this baby mixed. All right, it looks like we're good. All right, so now let's head over to our cooktop to finish this sauce off. All right, so now we're at our cooktop. We're gonna heat that up. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of butter. All right, guys, as that butter melts, we're gonna add our mango sauce here. And we're just gonna get it mixed in here, and we're gonna let it cook for several minutes until it thickens up. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good. We've allowed our sauce to thicken up where we want it. So now we're going to turn off our heat. We're gonna save about a third of a cup of this sauce because we're gonna use it as we're cooking the wings. So all right, let's head over to our air fryer, get those wings in there so we can finish this recipe. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so I've already preheated our air fryer to 400 degrees. We're gonna take I'm gonna add this tray here to our air fryer, and I'm gonna add our wings here. Don't mind the beeping noise. It does that after you preheat it and it's telling you to add food. And you want to put these in here skin side down. Guys, this is why I like this Chef Favor air fryer. It is big, has a lot of space. I'm gonna leave a link to this air fryer in the video description. You want this air fryer in your kitchen, trust me. I don't even know how many wings that is. That's what 18 or something like that? You can get in this air fryer. We're gonna close it up. We're gonna let this cook for I'm gonna do 22 minutes. And halfway through the cooking process, around 11 minutes, that's when we're going to flip those babies over, all right? Let's start the cooking. All right, guys, so we're halfway through. Slip up our hood. Now we're gonna get in here and we're gonna turn these babies over. Let them cook on the other side for the remaining of the time. All right, I'm gonna close that back up for the remaining 11 minutes. All right, guys, so this is what we have after about 22 minutes in our air fryer. Now what we're gonna do now, you can either take your wings out of your air fryer and do this, but I'm gonna keep them in here. I don't feel like doing that. We're gonna take our third of a cup that we reserved of our habanero sauce, and we're just gonna pour it here over our wings like this, or just drizzle it, should I say, over our wings like this. And you just kind of want to get at a good mix. Get these babies all mixed up. We're gonna put them back in here for another 4 minutes. Let that sauce caramelize, and then we're gonna come right back. All right, guys, so it looks like we are good. Take a look at what we have right here. And see, this is what I like. I like my wings to be crispy like that. So let's get over to our cutting board, because we're gonna sauce these babies up some more, all right? Let's go. Guys, let's go ahead and get these babies plated up, all right? And there you have it, guys, mango habanero wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control, because I'm just as excited to eat these as you are. All right, let's go. All right, we're back here, quality control. Let's bring these mango habanero to the front of the congregation, man. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Man, I see the one I want right now. Let's go ahead and get a taste check. Oh, man. Oh, listen, these babies are fire. And if you like mango habanero, you're gonna love these. Listen, I put 3 habanero peppers in there, and I can taste the spice, but with the honey, it kind of dials it back. But these is the perfect spice for me. It's not too hot where I can't eat it. I think if you just like, you know, a nice level of spiciness, I think this would be good for you. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am, and I'm getting back to the basics. All wings, everything, and remember, him not a chef. He just cooked them wings a lot, and I'm out. Peace.